So the cool part about it is that it's a hobby that became a job. Originally, I went to university to study mathematics. It's kind of a really theoretical and rigorous study where you barely get to touch things except for a pen and paper. So I would come home, I would start little project using electronics and automating my daily things in life, and I actually realized that this is what I would want to do for job. So this made me go back to university and study mechatronics and robotics, and now here I am. I come to work every day with some sort of problem that doesn't yet have a solution. The way my day would go is I would try many things, troubleshooting stuff, finding new approaches to certain problems, and yeah, and that's exciting. For me personally, autonomous means the least action required from the machine or vehicle or a boat. In our case, we want the operator to do the least amount of actions possible. We want them to press arm, play, or power it up, and then the boat needs to do its thing on its own. Navigation, obstacle avoidance, any sort of safety protocols that are involved with the pond that's contaminated. And for our clients specifically, this would mean that we don't need people on the site doing risky work that again involves contaminated water. This is actually the piece I've been working for the longest. It's a rover that is meant to replicate what a boat does in an actual setting on water, but because it's so hard to bring out a boat on the water and test it in a public area, most of the time we came up with a rover that has all the functionality that the boat actually has, including the GPS that is actually working indoors, called IPS, a lidar that helps us with obstacle avoidance. It's really cute looking also. Here we have our controller, and it's very sturdy, so we can test it on many different surfaces, particularly in the warehouse where we are right now. It's meant to just demonstrate how a boat would behave in a changing environment and how it can dynamically adapt itself to follow the path that we set for it. It's not going to dispense any reagent into the ground because we're testing on the ground, but you know, it can show the rest of its wonderful capabilities.